In this video, let's discuss how to find newly launched meme coins that are launched just seconds or minutes ago so that you can jump on the opportunity. So here I am on a website called Birdeye. The URL is Birdeye.so. And on top here, when you go to explore, under one of the options is new listings. This is the new listings screen, and you can order it by listing time. Here are a bunch of tokens that were listed 10 minutes ago. Most of them probably not very good, have no future, but some of them are interesting. Like there's something that happened today. This person passed away. You see that person in the logo? It's hard to recognize, but it looks like Hulk Hogan. And this is one of the first meme coins. And this particular token isn't branded with Hulk Hogan, but I can easily go and make a Hogan ticker symbol, put a picture of Hulk Hogan. And you know what? That's something that's happening today. It's one of the biggest news stories of today. And something like this can get some legs in terms of going up in price. Now, obviously, you don't want to capitalize on a person dying. That's a different story. But that's just an example of something that can have kind of a 24 to 48 hour spike that you can profit from because it's a meme coin. And some meme coins here are not as serious. Like here's this USDC, which maybe is just trying to mimic itself as USDC, the stable coin, but you'll see they describe themselves as unstable shitcoin. Highly, extra highly speculative. But that's what you get with completely newly minted tokens because they're new. Most of them will amount to nothing, but the reason we might be curious about them is that we know that there might be a 24-hour pump and dump cycle, and if we get in the very early minutes and maybe sell at the 6-hour mark or the 9-hour mark, maybe we can get a favorable price. Now, how favorable? What's the potential? Obviously, that varies from launch to launch, and this is extra speculative, extra risky. In a world where everything else is already risky, this is extra risky. But if you want to find completely newly minted tokens, this would be the way. And of course, this is not the only such website. It's only an example. This particular website is Birdseye, but there's also Jupiter, Tensor. For Ethereum platform, you can use Dex Tools or Uniswap. Just Google these names because these are pretty popular and widely used platforms, and you'll be able to use them in the same way by looking up the newly minted coins. And this is arguably one of the riskiest things you can do within the meme coin space. So be extra careful with this particular strategy. And one thing that's really great and an investor's dream in smaller altcoins, meme coins, is the potential for that 1,000% spike, 10,000% spike. It's possible, but as investors, we often have a shared experience that frustratingly, we only learn about it after the fact. Other people profit from the spike, somehow learn about it early, and then we learn about it. Oh yeah, look at that cryptocurrency, it spiked, but we missed out on it. This is the common experience where people don't actually know which cryptocurrencies are going to spike. So I want to introduce you to a cryptocurrency that I recently launched that has been growing steadily, and I'm rolling out a lot of promotional materials for it, and it's going to get a lot of publicity soon. At least I'm working on that. I'm an experienced marketer. But now it's still early. It's my SPRK, Spark cryptocurrency that I launched specifically with the aim of helping creators and entrepreneurs raise money. Think of it as Kickstarter or Patreon, but with cryptocurrency and taking advantage of many of the benefits of cryptocurrency. You can learn more about this project on sprktoken.com, which I'm showing you on the screen now, to learn about the many real-world benefits and utilities of this cryptocurrency. And what I want to show you now are some charts and price projections for this cryptocurrency based on calculations of ChatGPT. So this is not speculative information from me. These charts are going to come from ChatGPT. What does come from me is the actual growth and the ability to attract investors long term. But luckily, I'm a top 1% marketer online, having reached 1 million students on Udemy, and having large and engaged communities on other platforms as well. So I have exactly the right kind of background to grow a digital asset. So with that in mind, let me show you the actual price projection of this cryptocurrency so that you can see whether you might be interested in making an investment in it at this early stage at which it can still grow 1,000 or more %, which is not a guarantee, but a reasonable bet to make considering the risk reward. You might put in $20 or $25 or $50. That's almost nothing to risk. But if the reward is 100x or 1,000x, as you'll see from the price projections coming up, that makes it a great bet to take. And if you're interested in investing in this cryptocurrency, in the description of this video, I'll have a link to another video which shows exactly how to invest in this cryptocurrency. So let's look at the SPRK token growth path as it goes from 1/10 of a penny in price to, as you can see here, $1,000 per token and beyond. Yes, it's possible. So let me explain how it's possible and what is the underlying mechanism so that you understand how it works. The way such tokens work is that the organization that minted this token provides the liquidity for trading. In this case, there are 10 million tokens available for trading. That's what you see referenced here on the bottom left. You see 10 million on the bottom left on the x-axis, on the bottom axis. Then as 5 million tokens are left, 3 million, 2 million, the price goes up because supply of tokens decrease, the price per token increases. So you can see that while there are still about 10 million outstanding tokens out there, and the liquidity pool at the launch of this token was exactly 10 million tokens. So at that point, it's 1/10 of a penny. But as people buy up, you see here, even up to 5 million tokens, which by the way is not hard to do because it's 1/10 of a penny here. So with just $1, you can buy 1,000 tokens. So it's pretty easy to sell the first 5 million tokens, after which the price is still under a penny, but almost 10x from the initial launch price. So if you invest early in this, you get incredibly disproportionate results because even though this line looks linear, it's only because of how the line looks. The actual price growth is incredibly exponential because you see that after 5 million tokens are purchased, then after about 3 million tokens are purchased, here we are at the 1 penny per token price point, which is 10x of where it launched. Then as people keep on buying more tokens at 1 million remaining tokens in the liquidity pool, the price becomes approximately 50 cents. So now you went from 1/10 of a penny to 50 cents. That's an incredible return, but that's only the beginning. After this inflection point, the price appreciation increases dramatically because the journey from having 10 million tokens outstanding to 500,000 tokens outstanding is not a difficult journey, but you see it starts getting close to $1. And as you get closer to 100,000 tokens remaining in the liquidity pool, you start reaching the $50 price point. And as people buy up more tokens, obviously it's harder to buy them now because they're more expensive, the price increases. So the real exponential chart looks like this. You see, it's relatively slow growth, but if you want to get to a hockey stick, the moment until which you wait is when you have under 1,000 tokens remaining in the liquidity pool, and especially under 100, it really takes off. Now, at this point, it's really hard to sell a token because obviously a token is going to be worth 200,000, so it's not realistic. But to get here, it is realistic. That path is not difficult because at the moment of filming this video, as you can see the price growth here, there's only slightly over 9 million tokens remaining in the liquidity pool because some people bought early. And you can see that up to around the 5 million token mark, this token is incredibly cheap and you can get so many of them and profit from the next people investing after you. So imagine what would happen if you bought at 1/10 of a penny or 1/5 of a penny or at a penny per token, but then it went to $1. That's 100x your investment. $100 becomes $10,000. But what if you put in $100 very early? Then it becomes $100,000. What if you invest $500 very early and it goes up to $1 or a little more? That's $500,000. So $500 invested when it's still 1/10 of a penny in not so distant future. Obviously there are risks, but there is a light at the end of the tunnel for how the growth can happen. That $500 that you might invest at a tenth of a penny can become $500,000 when the token price reaches $1. Because to go from a tenth of a penny to $1 is 1,000x. Which brings me to the point that even though there is risk, you might just lose some money. Although it's nearly impossible to lose a lot, because if you get in early, the price can't go below this price point of a tenth of a penny per token, because that's the price at which it was launched, which is what the liquidity pool that was created allows. So the potential loss isn't that great, but if you can make a bet of 1 to 1,000, that's a good bet to make. So hopefully this visually illustrates the light at the end of the tunnel and how early investors can benefit from owning this token. So with that, of course, I welcome you to become an early investor and profit from the growth of this token.